Hey whales, let's recap the markets and go over Tesla. Let's dive into Tesla here. So off the lows, guys, we're looking at a potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in blue to finish off all of wave 1. Now, there are two different scenarios that can happen. The primary path is that we're looking for a W that got put in, an X still forming, and then a Y coming down to finish off a wave 2 before higher. Now, the second alternative path is that we don't break below this W wave, okay? We actually hold this and take the alternate path, right? And surprise, this was all of a wave 2 low. So 1, 2, and then higher, okay? We don't get another low here. So we're not there yet. We have to sort of get through these levels here. So what am I looking at in terms of Tesla on the smaller time cycles? Well, if I take the swing highs onto swing lows, okay, we're almost there, right? We're looking for Tesla to reach 332 to 348. And we'll see whether or not Tesla is going to react off of these levels, right? Now, I do think it's going to be pretty tough for Tesla to break through this on the first try without some type of retrace. So looking for a, B wave lower, and then we're going to see if it can hold and keep going up for this alternative path for this B wave, or if it does do that double correction here and come closer down to 250 to 214. We just don't know yet, guys. It's still too early, but these are the two main levels. If it does break out, 391 to 428 is that alternate path, is what I'm looking at, okay? Now, the reason why I'm considering this to still be bullish overall is that if you take a look at XLY, this is the ETF that Tesla is in right now, alongside companies like Amazon and Nike. You can see right now for XLY, potential wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working now on a potential 5th wave. Okay, so if XLY is bullish, right, then I'm assuming Tesla is going to be as well. We're looking at 231 for a main target for XLY. So still some time here to go overall. You can also take a look at the ETF ARK. You can see, again, same thing, a little bit more bullish, 1, 2, possible 3, 4, and then working on 3, 4, 5, right, to finish off for ARK. So ARK, their main holding is Tesla. You can see anywhere between 64 to 70 is where ARK can reach towards, okay? So if ARK is still bullish, I'm assuming Tesla can still, trek a bit higher here. We're going to see if, Tesla does do the alternate path or lower. But either or, guys, if you take a look at the overall structure, I'm still bullish on Tesla. Whether the dip is going to be lower or it's already in for this wave 2, all I'm looking for Tesla, coming from a mindset of a full-time trader, is that I'm going to just be looking for long positions. This is all I'm looking at, right? So how do I trade? Well, first, right, I look for a bias. So my bias based on this structure is bullish. So if I have a bullish bias, what am I going to be doing? I'm only looking for longs. I'm not looking for shorts. I'm not looking to counter trade a trend. It's just way too risky, guys. The overall markets are still bullish, so I'm only looking for longs. I always like to go with the trend, hence why I've been successful in terms of my win rate. So look at S&P 500 as well. It is getting a little bit top heavy with 3s, 4s, and 5s. However, it is still bullish overall. We're looking for higher. So if the S&P is still calling for bullish upsides, I'm assuming XLY is, I'm assuming ARK, ETFs are, and now for Tesla. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day, but ultimately, again, I'm only looking for longs on 1 minute, 3 minute time frames, and trying to keep pushing Tesla higher here. So if it can break through, again, we're looking for 390 to 400s, and then ultimately, if it can break through that, looking for 500 as well. Yeah, let's have a great rest of our week ahead.